Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved, OneDrive. Sorry, there is a problem displaying this folder. Click OneDrive icon. Click Open Folder. Right-click Start button. Copy command from description and paste it. Click OK. Right-click Start button. Click Run. Copy second command from description and paste it. OneDrive folder opened successfully. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.